If you own a small business and buy equipment, vehicles, or other business property, OBA just doubled your immediate expensing limit. Section 179 jumped from 1 million to 2.5 million, and this is huge for small business cash flow. Now, this is day 29 of me breaking down the One Big Beautiful Bill Act for the next 30 days, one more day. So here's a massive change. Section 179 lets small businesses immediately deduct the cost of qualifying property instead of depreciating it over years. Now, before OBA, you could expense up to $1 million in qualifying property, and this limit started phasing out when total property purchases exceeded $2.5 million. Now, after OBA, effective for property placed in service after December 31st of 2024, the expensing limit jumps to $2.5 million, and the phase-out threshold increases to $4 million. Plus, inflation indexing resets to the 2024 levels. So these numbers will grow each year. So here's what you need to know. First things first is what qualifies. Machinery and equipment, business vehicles with some SUV limits, computer and software, office furniture and fixtures, and then certain improvements to commercial properties. Now, number two is, let's look at the impact here. So let's say, for example, we have a construction company and they buy new equipment. Let's say they buy a new excavator for $400,000, 2 trucks for $150,000, a trailer for $50,000. Total that up and we're talking $600,000. Under the old $1 million limit, they would be able to deduct the full $600,000 immediately. Now, under the new $2.5 million limit, they still can deduct the full $600,000 immediately, but now they have room for $1.9 million more in purchases before hitting the limit. Now, number three is the real benefit. Larger businesses can now use Section 179. So for example, if you have a manufacturing company spending $3 million on equipment, now before OBA, the $1 million limit starts phasing out at $2.5 million in total purchases. They're $500K over the phase out threshold, so they can only expense $500,000, reduced from $1 million. Now, after OBA, with a $2.5 million limit, they start phasing out at $4 million in total purchases. They're $1 million below the phase out threshold, so they can expense the full $2.5 million immediately, which saves them approximately $600,000 in the first year taxes at a 24% corporate tax rate. And then number four is, this is separate from bonus depreciation that we covered back on day 13. You can use both. So section 179 up to $2.5 million, then bonus depreciation 100% of your remaining qualifying purchases. So large equipment purchases get immediate expensing either way. Number five is section 179 is especially valuable for pass-through businesses. We're talking S Corps, partnerships, and LLCs, small to medium-sized companies, or businesses investing in growth and expansion, and then also agriculture